Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am continuing in the Valentine's Day posts, and I did this makeup look right here for you guys. Today's video is actually a collab. I am doing my collab today with Autumn, and as per usual, I will go ahead and drop her link down below. So make sure you click on her link and head on over to her channel to see what makeup look she's doing today. We are both doing Anastasia Beverly Hills again. Today I am using the Soft Glam palette. It has a lot of very pretty neutral colors, some sparkles, and mainly though it's very soft neutral colors that you can use every day. And this is the look I came up with. And Autumn came up with this look here, so make sure you head over to her channel and see how she achieved this. Make sure you give her a thumbs up and subscribed. And of course, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into it. Okay guys, my eyes are already prepped and ready to go, so I'm just going to start off with this transition shade here called Orange Soda. This is going all over my crease and above. I really want this to pop on the top of my eyelid look. And then I'm going to go over it with this burnt orange and kind of just go in that same exact place, all in my crease and high above my crease as well. And I'm creating a halo look, so I'm going to go with this color here and start shaping out that halo. So I'm going in my outer V, really low on my crease, as well as my inner corner here in a second. So here I'm starting to place it on the inner corner of my eyelid as well. And as you see, I am keeping the middle part blank because I'm gonna go in with my shimmer shade there. So again, I'm just carving out my halo right now. Then I'm going to go in with the second color here, and I'm going to do the same thing, kind of carve out my halo. I wanted to deepen that color a bit, so I'm just going to go over the other color with this color here and place it in the same exact spot. And then I'm kind of blending it out a bit with the blending brush. So you'll see me use the smaller brush so I can get more defined and then blend it out. I'm using this really pretty color here. It's like a gold color, and I'm using my finger to place it on the middle part. I just find that shimmers pop so much better when you use your finger. And now I'm prepping my eyes for my lashes, so doing my waterline and then putting on mascara, getting my eyes all prepped to apply my lashes. And then here on my lower eyelid, I'm gonna do the same exact thing, but I'm gonna keep it rounded. So I wanted all those colors to meet the colors above on my eyelids as well. So you'll see me using those first two colors, placing them right on top of each other and making sure I meet the outside as well. So taking it all the way up to the color on my upper eyelid as well. And then here I'm going to take these two brown shades and do the same thing. So that first brown shade, I'm going to, keep it a little bit more wide, but still tight lined to the lower eyelid. And then I'm going to go in and like blend everything out again with the other two lighter shades right here. Just keeping it low again and blending it out. I got something stuck to my eye right there. So you see me working on that. And then I'm going to take that brown and the darker brown and really tight line to my waterline there. Then I wanted to make sure that eyelid popped again, so I put some more with my finger, and then I noticed I got some shimmer on the top there in my crease, so I'm just blending that out as well. And I'm pretty sure you guys could figure this out, but I'm just I'm lining my waterline with a little bit of white. Now I kind of just blot this because I don't want this too harsh, and then applying my mascara to both eyes on the lower eyelid. And now I'm gonna do my inner corner and my eyebrow with my highlight. And now I didn't want the color to be too harsh there, so I went in with this really light color and kind of put it on my brow bone there. And now we're gonna get to my face. And guys, I realized I never have done a foundation. My foundation is super easy. I don't cream contour all crazy or anything like that. But I will do a foundation. It's super easy. It looks like it's a lot, but it's really not. So I'll record that one of these days for you guys. But here I'm just popping on blush, applying my highlight, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean off my bake. I'm doing something a little extra here. I'm popping on a little bit of cream contour on my nose. I wanted it a little bit more defined, and on my lower lip to give me more of a pouty look. And then here, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off my bake. And bam, here I am, guys. Now I gotta choose my lipstick. And I went in with Anastasia Beverly Hill. I'll list the name of the lipstick down below. I can't remember what it is, but it is one of my favorites. And that completes this look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for the continued support. And I'll see you guys on the next one.